Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the front brakes on a Dodge Grand Caravan. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Always wear safety glasses and gloves. Use a reliable jack to lift the front of the vehicle, then secure it firmly with 2 jack stands. Next, remove the front wheel to expose the brake assembly. Having all your new parts and tools ready will make the process much smoother. Now, let's remove the old brake components. Begin by compressing the caliper piston slightly with a C-clamp to make removal easier. Then, locate and remove the 2 guide pin bolts holding the caliper in place. Carefully lift the caliper off and suspend it securely with a bungee cord or wire, preventing any strain on the brake line. Next, remove the 2 larger bolts securing the caliper mounting bracket. Once those are out, you can slide the old brake rotor straight off the wheel hub. With the old parts removed, it's time for installation. First, clean the wheel hub surface meticulously with a wire brush to ensure the new rotor sits flush. Place the new brake rotor onto the hub. Reinstall the caliper mounting bracket, tightening its 2 bolts to 125 foot-pounds. Next, lubricate the new brake pads where they contact the bracket and slide them into position. Don't forget to apply a thin layer of brake grease to the caliper guide pins. Almost done. Carefully position the caliper over the new pads and rotor, ensuring the guide pins align. Reinstall and tighten the 2 caliper guide pin bolts to 26 foot-pounds. Once secure, reinstall the wheel, tightening the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds, and safely lower your vehicle. Before driving, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm. Finally, take a cautious test drive to confirm everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.